Hello guys, it's Richard Quinn, back today, driving in his car. Today, we are going to go to Burger King because they've decided that they want to try to creep in to the taco market in the fast food business. Now, you might say, well, they're just trying it out or whatever. But no, they are trying to compete with the king. And that is not acceptable. And I want to know if it is even remotely close. So today we are going to try it. Because, I'm a generous guy, I like to think. But, I just want to try it. Personally. So, yeah, we're going to go to Burger King, get a $1 taco. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Here we go. Yes, I just need $1 taco.
Alright, what else can I do for you?
That'll be all.
Drive around to the second window.
Alright, thank you. Alright. I got the bag, and it's just a normal Burger King bag. It's literally the same. They're not even trying to copy Taco Bell, which is what they're trying to do with this thing. So, we're gonna eat it. It's gonna be fine. We're just gonna enjoy it. Okay. Here's the Burger King taco. They have bothered to make packaging for it instead of just putting it in something lame, so you gotta give them credit for that. But other than that, I mean, there's nothing super crazy going on here. And look at this taco. What in the world? It's like a flat, sad, depressing taco. But it's fine, we're just gonna eat it anyway. Okay. Alright, we're gonna take a bite. Let me get this situated before. Alright. That has some weird sauce on it. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Oh gosh. That was my appetizer, Burger King. That ruined my appetite completely. And it ruined my day. I'm not gonna be able to eat the rest of today. And that's Burger King's fault. Oh gosh, the taste. Oh no. I'm done. I'm going home.